Hi, this is a how-to video for SignNow, the best e-signature solution out there. I know we just started, but can you do me a favor? Please like this video now and then hit subscribe. Go ahead, I'll wait. Thanks. Open your document in the editor and click the Edit Signers button. Click on the blue silhouette icon to add one or more signers. Plus, you can customize your signer names and add their email addresses. When finished, click Save Signers. To add fillable fields to your document, select Signer 1 in the toolbar and choose the field you need to add. Drop the fields anywhere on the document and adjust their size and positioning. Then select Signer 2, and so on. The different colors of your fillable fields show that they are assigned to different signers. Next, send your document for e-signature. Click Invite to Sign in the editor and enter your recipient's email addresses. You can edit your email subject and message for each signer by clicking Customize Message. If you don't want to send your e-signature invite to all your recipients at the same time, click In Order and set up your signing steps. When finished, hit the Send Invite button. What's that? You've heard enough? Skip ahead and try SignNow for free. Just click the link in the description now. Okay, back to work. SignNow makes it easy to approve and send documents for signature, monitor your document's progress in real time, add e-signature workflows to your custom apps or website, and easily integrate with the services you're already using. Please share your thoughts in the comments, or click the link in the description and hurry up to get your free 7-day trial that you can cancel anytime.